Hello, I'm Dale with Edwards Garage, and I'd like to show you a 2016 Shadow Cruiser 24 BHS model trailer. This one's got the bunks inside, so we'll have a look at that in a minute. It's got tapered front cap on it, hard shell, LED lighting, two 30-pound propane tanks up front. We've got storage on the side, carpeted steps on it there, so it keeps the dirt off from going inside the floor. Outside kitchen on this one. So you got a 2-burner stove, sink, 110 fridge on the outside there. You keep your refreshments in. You don't got to run inside every time you need a cold one. The spot on the back for a barbecue. Just swings out and keeps it away from the trailer. Spare tire on it. Manual jacks. Got a slider inside that holds your dinette inside. We'll have a look at that when we go in. Your city water, water fill station, TV plugs, cable plugs, power, everything's all in one spot, so easy to get out on the trailer. Not too much else to show other than a hardwall model. No delamination, everything in that's pretty good. Tires on it probably around 50-60%. Give me a call, Dale at Edwards Garage, and I'll give you a tour. Here we are inside. Not lots of stuff to show, but double bunk beds here, and they're a double width, so not the little skinny ones. You got the bottom side there. Get the young ones in, a little bit older, climb up top if you want. Bathroom right here. It's got a small tub, sink, toilet, vanity mirror, storage for your towels, face cloths, what have you. We've got some extra storage cupboards over here. If you want to use that for a pantry or clothing, whatever you want, so your choice. U-shaped dinette here. You can swivel the table either way, so however you like that. 3-burner stove inside. Double sink here. Comes with a microwave. Overhead. Some paper towel holder. Gotta have some paper towel when you're out camping. TV right here. TV actually on a swivel. So you could swing this TV around, look at anywhere in here, or move right into the bedroom if you want to look at the TV in the bedroom. Queen size bed up front here. We got storage cupboards on both sides, storage overhead, plug in down on both sides there for charging your devices or plugging your laptop in, whatever you like. There's a fan in the roof vent there too as well. So like I said, you want to come down and have a closer look, give me a call, Dale at Edwards Garage, and we'll give you a proper tour.